Okay everyone, this is Chris from the Tech Basement coming to you once again from the basement. Today we're going to have a quick and dirty video about the black and blue ITX build. Okay, like I said, this is going to be quick and dirty. So what we're going to go over real quick is what I have discovered over the last week with this build and what I am and not able to do with it. Okay, first and foremost, this is the greatest news I've had so far personally with this build, and that is I am going to be able to use the EK Phoenix 280 radiator with this build. So that is awesome. With that being said, the CPU water block, I had to order a different part in order to make the runs work the way that they need to. So I'm still waiting for that, and that's the only thing that's actually holding me back from doing a video on the build of black and blue ITX build. Also, you probably can tell from the last video, I have a couple different components that I have received in, and that is the Corsair SF600 Gold power supply, the Trident Z 36 gigabyte sticks of RAM, the black and blue, sorry, not black and blue, the Western Digital Black SN750 M.2 drive. It's 1 terabyte, and the Noctua NF, I believe it's A4 by 20 fan that will be cooling, if need be, the North Bridge. So please stay tuned for the build. Hopefully I'll get time to do that by next Sunday, and we'll have the build for you, and then possibly the week after that we'll get temps and all that other stuff for you as well. So thank you for coming on by. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and this is Chris saying out. As you can see here, we have some new components that I have not reviewed quite yet. Revealed